Hi everyone, I'm back on the road and this time I'm not driving myself, so that is great. I had an amazing time in Kruger Nature Reserve. It was really amazing. We have seen elephants from so close, we have seen lions, the lodge was beautiful. I'm just the happiest person ever. And now we're on our way to Timbavati Nature Reserve. This reserve is a little bit more flat, so you have a little bit more open spaces, where Kruger Nature Reserve has a lot of trees and a little bit more copious, like it's like little mountains. So yeah, it's nice to have this change in scenery in different reserves. Next lodge, next adventure. I was just about to go take a shower when I heard a familiar noise. So then I went outside and I saw this.